You are going to love the 2015 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, running boards, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.